Finance is no longer just about numbers, it's about innovation, technology, and disruption. At Chandigarh University, Uttar Pradesh, transform your ambition into expertise with a Bachelor of Business Administration in FinTech. Engage in an AI-integrated, industry-aligned curriculum that blends financial expertise with technology, preparing you for the digital financial landscape. Gain hands-on experience with the latest financial technologies that are reshaping global markets. Gain hands-on experience with real-world projects, internships, and expert-led masterclasses. Advance FinTech through research. Explore AI-driven finance, blockchain applications, and digital banking innovations, bridging academics with industry breakthroughs. Transform into a competent professional ready to take on high-impact roles across industries. Your journey to transforming finance starts here. Enroll today at India's next-gen futuristic university.